So in this video we will talk about string formatting in Python. So basically string formatting is like you would like try to modify that output that is to be printed on the output. So we know that using a print function we can print a string by default on the output. Now if you want to modify the output, like how it need to be printed, whether it need to be printed with some spaces, or whether it should be integer variable or string variable. So whatever the formatting that you need to do can be performed using the string formatting in Python. So percentage is what is used to perform these formatting. So example, if you see here, print percentage I we have given, and then percentage 20. So this prints 20 on the output. This statement meant that we intend to print integer on the output which has a value of 20. So this percentage 20 indicates that it is related to the formatting of that is mentioned here. So now there are several cases, like you want to print multiple variables on the output using formatting, or you want to print floating point numbers, or if you want to print some spaces, or if you want to do some slicing operations, and also if you want to do some formatting on the output. So all these operations are possible to do using formatting. The string formatting that we are mentioning. For example, if you take the same statement here, whatever is there, and if you try to compile this, you see that 20 is printed. For suppose if you want to take the same function, percentage I, so what you have to do here is basically t comma 40, and then if you compile this, you can see here 20 comma 40 is performed. For suppose if I have a string Eve, and normally what we would do is we will say print k, it would print talent Eve. If I want to format this, so formatting, what I would do is I would give percentage s, and then there should not be any comma, percentage, example, I want to perform slicing on this, 0:4. So the 0 to 3 shall be printed, 0 to 3 characters shall be printed when we compile this. You see that 0, 1, 2, 3. So TALE is printed at the output. Similarly, if you want to have spacing, let us assume I want to left indent by 20s, and then print k. So you can see here what we meant by 20s is that there will be 20 spaces, and then within the 20 spaces you will right indent the talent Eve. So if you want to do left indent, what we would do is percentage minus 20s, and if you perform this, so talent Eve, and there will be spaces that will be introduced, because it is post that we do not we could not see it on the output. So this is how the slicing and then indenting shall be done. Suppose if I have a floating variable, print of percentage dot 2f, and then if I want to print k, and we print this, you can see here two floating numbers, two decimal points are printed.